Hi, I'm Rowena.
Hi, I'm Dari.
Hi, I'm Ben. Hi, I'm Aaron.
336,000. That's a big number. According to the U.S. Air Force Personnel Center website at www.afpc.randolph.af.mil, that is how many people are currently on active duty in the United States Air Force. That is enough people to fill Dallas Cowboys Texas Stadium 4 times to capacity. My name is Master Sergeant Douglas Jarman, and I've been on active duty for 24 years. In those 24 years, I've had many opportunities to enjoy the benefits the Air Force offers. Have you finished high school? Do you know what you're going to do after you get that diploma you've worked 12 long years to get? Are you ready for the challenge? Are you prepared for what the world has to offer you? Do you have a plan? I'm here to give you some information and that can help you make those decisions much easier. There are many benefits of joining the U.S. Air Force, the most respected and powerful Air Force in the entire world. I'm going to tell you about 3 of them. The first benefit is training. The second benefit is education. And the third benefit is money. Let's begin as I talk about the training and explain how you can get that training you want and deserve in the U.S. Air Force for free. Basic military training. This is where it all begins, where your new career in the U.S. Air Force will start. Lackland Air Force Base, San Antonio, Texas. You'll be taught many tools and skills that you will use in your career while you are in the U.S. Air Force. Basic training lasts 8.5 weeks. You will learn basic war skills, military discipline, military bearing, physical fitness, and the core values the U.S. Air Force has. It is an extremely demanding, mentally and physically, but is one of the most rewarding accomplishments you may ever do in your entire life. Graduation from basic training will be one of the most memorable parts of your life, as you will participate in a large parade and military formation as you are recognized as one of the best of the best. After basic, you'll proceed on to technical training, where you will receive detailed training in over 100 different careers, depending on the job that you have been assigned. The diverse jobs they have in the U.S. Air Force range anywhere from medical to firefighter to computer geek to special forces and many more. Training will last anywhere from 31 days to 2 years, depending on the difficulty of the training of the job that you've chosen. The technical schools are located in 5 different states or different areas. 3 of them are in Texas, 1 is in Mississippi, and the last one is in California. One great thing about this training is that it is certified and accredited. You will actually receive college credit for the training that you get while you're in the Air Force. And this starts from basic training. You'll actually get college credits for basic training. The training is in the classroom and hands-on with the equipment you will be using day to day during your job in the Air Force. You'll be trained by skilled individuals with years and years of experience in their different specialties. Now that you understand the type of training you can expect, let's move on to the next benefit, which is education. The U.S. Air Force is so large, we have our own community college. Of course, what did we name it? Community College of the Air Force. It is accredited by the Southern Association of Colleges and Schools. It's the largest community college in America. It is here, through the Community College of the Air Force, that you can achieve your 2-year associate degree in applied science in your specialty. The Community College of the Air Force maintains 82 education service office centers throughout the world, according to the Air University website at www.au.af.mil. So no matter where you are stationed, you'll be able to continue your education and training. I am currently stationed in Norway with 17 people, and we have our own education office here. Each year, the Community College of the Air Force students earn more than 1.6 million hours of college credit. The Air Force makes it easy for you to get that degree that you want and you need. While on active duty, the Air Force will also pay 100% of your tuition. Yes, I said 100%. That means they pay all. I'm currently taking an online class, and it took me 5 minutes to sign up and get the Air Force to pay my college tuition. You can also take CLEP and Dante's tests for free. You can challenge the course, take the final test, get the college credits for free. There's nothing stopping you from getting the degree you want while you're in the U.S. Air Force. They make it simple. Once you have finished your 4 years, or even 24 years, as I have done, with U.S. Air Force, you will be eligible for the new post-9/11 Montgomery GI Bill. This bill provides up to 36 months of college paid for. It can either be used in conjunction with your tuition assistance while you're in the Air Force, or once you're off active duty and you want to go to college full-time, you can use it then. A great couple of benefits about the Montgomery GI Bill is it pays you money for housing while you go to school, and also an option to transfer these benefits to your spouse or your children. Now I've saved the best for last. If I've not already caught your interest, I'm sure this last benefit will really get you moving. Money. In the Air Force, you will have a constant source of income. You will get paid consistently every 2 weeks. You'll start off with base pay. You'll receive even that during basic training and tech school while you were in the U.S. Air Force. Your pay will continue as your rank increases and the time you have served in the U.S. Air Force, and you will get an annual cost of living increase, which will help you keep up with the civilian job market in a comparable job. Free housing and free food doesn't get much better than free. The Air Force is going to provide you housing during your entire time in the military. Whether you're single, you'll live in the dorms, or if you're married or have dependents, they'll give you money to live off base or buy a house or live in base housing. You'll also get full access to the military dining facility. If you're single, you get 3 meals a day, no charge. If you're married or have children or dependents, the Air Force will give you money every month to buy groceries for your food. The bases also have grocery stores where you can save about 35% compared to shopping in the civilian market. The Air Force also provides you with many tax-free allowances. If you're stationed overseas, you will get what they call a cost of living allowance. Depending on the area you live in overseas, this allowance is to make sure that your pay overseas, if you live in a high-cost area, makes it comparable if you were living back in the United States. Along with the housing allowance you'll get utility allowance, and also depending on your job or duty location, you can get hazardous duty pay, foreign language pay, family separation pay, and many other different types of pay. The uniforms you get while you're in basic training are yours to keep, and the Air Force will pay you every year to keep those up or buy new ones if you need. Now let's review what we just learned. There are many benefits of joining the most powerful and respected Air Force in the world. First, I told you about the training benefits and how you will get that training. Basic training and tech school. It's free. Second, I explained the benefits of education and how the Air Force has its own community college. Tuition assistance is 100%. And the new post-9/11 GI Bill, which will get you 36 months of college during or after you get out of the Air Force. Third and finally, we learned about money. Air Force will provide you housing, food, and many other financial benefits, and most of these benefits are tax-free. Today I have provided you with 3 of the great benefits that can be yours if you join the U.S. Air Force. These are just a few of the benefits the Air Force has to offer, and I strongly encourage you to contact your nearest Air Force recruiter and find out how you can become part of the most powerful Air Force in the world. Should I fall off the wall? Okay. Should I do it again?